Milwaukee String Trimmer QUIK LOK has a great amount of power. It wraps up quick, is able to cut brush, grass, and just keep going through the job.
QUIK LOK system has been excellent, and the longevity of the battery has been good as well.
I love the ability to change out the attachments. We don't have to have multiple tools. We can be string trimming and then switch over to the cultivator. Solid pieces of equipment. The power's there when you need it. Hit the trigger and it's on. It's strong. Very impressed with the performance.